Hello! In this video, we can see how to enable the microphone permissions on the Trupeer platform on Microsoft Edge browser. Once you are in the login page, enter the login details, then click the login.
So you can access your Trupeer account.
Once you're in the dashboard, hit Start Recording. You'll see some Speak While Recording tips pop up. Just acknowledge them by clicking Got it, let's start. Next, head over to the Chrome Web Store. Here, click on the Get button. You'll need to confirm your choice by clicking Add Extension. Then you can see Chrome extension is downloaded in your browser. Once it's installed, you will get a Chrome extension activated window. Now go back to the main Trupeer tab, hit Start Recording again. And this time, select Review Permissions to deal with the browser's microphone access prompt. Then in the Permissions page, look for Microphone option and select the Allow option. If even it's selected default, make sure it's in Allow state and one more permission needed. Then open up the Windows Settings menu and find your way to Privacy and Security. Scroll down, then select Microphone option. Then switch on Microphone Access for your device. Make sure to also enable the option for Let Apps Access Your Microphone, so everything works smoothly. Head back to your browser and refresh the Trupeer page to put those changes into effect. Click Start Recording once more, and then, when you see the microphone levels are responding, like this, you can enable the microphone permissions on the Trupeer platform. Thank you.